Hey guys and gals, Crazy 45 Cat. It's about 10 to 4. I'm out here catching bait. Let's see that pole there. See that pole is shaking? Oh yeah, Daddy. We got ourselves another catfish. I've already got 3 in the trap. Let's go get this guy real quick. Bear with me. It's hot out here. Woo! Rained all day. And it's humid as heck right now. So, here we go. Oscar's over there too. This is the last piece of bait. Oh, I got one piece of bait to go. Been using squid today. Targeting the catfish. There's old Oscar way up there. Here he is. He's been watching me all afternoon. Let's see what we got. We'll put this down for a minute. Something small. Maybe a small cat. They all work. Yeah, good, a small one. Woohoo! Man, he swallowed that hook. I'll tell you what. Easy does it, buddy. Easy does it. We'll make quick work out of him. Put him in a trap. Squid for bait. Bam! Humid as can be. Oh God, look at that. So I got 4 catfish all cut up in there, along with the pinfish. That should be enough bait till the weekend. Oh, let's see. Here we go. And this is what the head of the catfish looks like. See the crucifix right there? It's pretty cool. So they'll chew that one up to make it look just like that. Here's one of the first ones I put in there. I think I cut the bottom part of it off, so oh well. That's what you get. So we're done with fishing today. 4 cats works for me. See ya.